Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Swiss Air. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss Air account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account in Swiss Air? I'm going to show you quite shortly. The first thing that you need to do is to launch in a browser of your choice, which of course I have done right here. I'm currently using Google Chrome. And once you do that, in the search bar of your browser, type swiss.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Swiss Air. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the login and registration button. Click on that and fill it with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Swiss Air. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add extra baggage in Swiss Air. And there are two ways to do that. You can add extra baggage while booking, or you can add extra baggage during check-in. So you add a baggage while booking and add an extra baggage during check-in. Now, how do you add an extra baggage after booking? Here you go. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Book and Prepare, and you have My Booking, and you have Discover Swiss. Head over to My Booking and click on that. Now you have two categories here, which include Manage and Extra Services. Under Extra Services, you have Book Additional Baggage, you have Check-in Baggage from Home, you have Book Upgrade, you have Pre-order Meals, you have Book Hotel, and Book Rental Car. Now we're going to have to click on Book Additional Baggage because we want to add extra baggage. So go ahead and click on Book Additional Baggage, and that's going to take you here. Would you like to take more baggage with you? Then it's covered by your allowance. Benefit from our special online rate. You can read all of this for you to know, get your information handy. You have the baggage calculator if you want to do that. And you have these options that are also available. So these are the baggage calculator, this check baggage, and you have the quick and conditionals for additional baggage. So here are all of the options that you can choose. Here are all of the options and all the information that you can read to see what will cost you to add extra baggage. So here you go. Now, if you want to directly add a baggage after reading all of this to know what it is going to take you to add a baggage, of course, let's read this last thing here. It says, if you have already booked a flight, you can book additional baggage later through your personnel provider up to 2 hours before departure. Okay, so here is how you can do that. So over here from this tab again, go ahead and click on My Booking. And once you click on My Booking, go ahead and click on Check-in. Now scroll all the way down, and this page still loading up. Scroll all the way down so you have, we currently have no active bookings in your account. So if you do, then you'll be able to check in. So enter your booking reference or your ticket number and enter your last name for that ticket or for that booking. Now, once you do that, go ahead and click on Find Bookings. And once you find bookings, go ahead and follow through the on-screen process to check in. Now, during your check-in, you're going to see an option for you to add extra baggage. Click on that and add extra baggage. Now, of course, you must have read what it will cost you, right? Because, you know, extra baggage actually costs more. So follow through with the prompts and add your extra baggage during checking in. So these are the steps that you can actually take, or these are step-by-step processes that you can take to add extra baggage on Swiss Air. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope these tutorials marvelously helped you search.